Hi guys, today I am experimenting with a brand that I haven't tried before. The brand is Eveline Cosmetics or Eveline, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. It's a very affordable brand. I found it here in Germany. I'm not quite sure if it's a German brand or a Swiss brand, but it is European made, and I just purchased a whole bunch of products from them on sale, so I decided to swatch them all with you today and just give you an overall first impression of the brand and a first impression of the different products that I purchased. So I did buy a eye and face palette, a highlighter, a single eyeshadow, 2 lip glosses, an eyebrow pencil or pomade pencil, 3 lip liners, and 3 eyeliners. And then I got this, I think it's vitamin serum. I got this one as a gift with the purchase. I will put timestamps in the description box for all the different products, so if you're only interested in seeing the lip glosses or the face palette, you can just directly jump to whatever you want to see. So let's start off with the eyeliners. The first one is in the color number 10. It's this almost like a burgundy type of color. Let's just go into the swatch. Oh, it's a nice solid soft swatch. It's very creamy. It has a nice soft texture and it feels like it won't struggle too much to get the color on the eyes. Next we have the color 07. It's this nice lilac-y, soft, almost like a lavender purpley pink color. Okay. It's a nice solid soft swatch. And lastly we have the black color 01. See how it swatches. Ooh, that's nice and solid. Guys, these swatched perfectly. It's so smooth and soft. I hope it wears well and dries down well. Let's have a look at this first one. It looks like it dries down okay. Whereas this first one is recently swatched, so it still blends out nicely. So far it's a positive impression of the eyeliners. I'm very happy about them and very excited to use them. Next I'm going to do the brow pomade. The color that I have is dark brown. Okay, so I removed the plastic. It has a spoolie on the one side and then the pencil end at the other side. Let's twist it out. It's got a nice, I have a nice thin pencil, so I think you can do nice brow strokes. So let's see what they swatch like. Oh, it's nice and soft. I like that. It's a nice color also. Okay, so the 3 colors I have for the lip liners are 01, 02, and 03. I'm going to start off with 01. It's a bit more of a brownish undertone neutral shade. Okay, so there's 01. I really press hard, so the fact that the points come off, it's just because I'm putting a lot of pressure. I want the swatches to come through. Not that I think it needs a lot of pressure. It really is a soft pencil. Okay, then next I'll do 02, pretty pinky color. Okay, that's what the number 2 looks like. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, so number 3 is a bit more of an in-between color. It really feels like it's between the brownish and the pinkish undertones. Focus. It's a bit more neutral. Okay, so let's see what it swatches like. Oh, it's pretty. So if I bring it close, you can see it's not as pink as number 2 and not as brown as the first one. It just has a nice blend between the two. So there we have it for the 3 lip shades. So the 2 lip glosses that I have are in the color 01 and 02. This one has more of a golden shimmery shade to it, and this one has a light pink. I don't think it's colorful, it's probably sheer glossy shades. So for color 1, that's what the 1 looks like. Okay, so number 1, it has a very sheer, sparkly shimmer to it. It's very pretty. And number 2, you can see it has a pinker undertone than the other one. Just give a little bit of color to the lips. So there's the 2 shades. I think they'll go nicely with the lip liners. I'll try out the combos in another video. Next we have the diamond highlighter in the color 01 Sparkle. So that's what the highlighter looks like. Swatch it quickly. It's a nice light highlighter. That's what it looks like. It's very pretty. I like it. Next I have the Choco Glamour eyeshadow, single eyeshadow. This is in the color 01 Moon Sparkle. So that's what the color looks like. I like the color. Okay, let's see if we can catch that sparkle on the swatch. That's what the shade looks like on the finger. It's very, it's pretty. It looks very close to my skin tone on the camera, but it has a nice champagne and almost a bit of a peachy undertone to it. Oh, it's so pretty. I have some matte shades that I wanted a nice sparkle shade, a single shadow for. So I'm going to use this with that and see what it looks like. Now this one is the reason I was drawn to this brand in the first place. It's a face and eyeshadow palette. It's the Wonder Match palette. It's really shiny. I'm gonna get full of fingerprints very quickly. Okay, let's open and see what it looks like. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. It has a loose sleeve in it. You can just remove that. Oh, that's so pretty, guys. It has a bronzer, highlighter, blush, and your eyeshadow quad. This one you can get a lot of depth with, a brightening one and your crease color, and then your lid topper. I think these are very wearable colors. Let's get into the swatches. So let's first do the face colors, the bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. The bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. There's the bronzer, highlighter, and the blush. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is a shimmery blush. Not really sparkly, but it will definitely give you some shine to the cheeks. And the bronzer is matte color. That's going to be pretty. And then the eyeshadow shades, we have the light matte, the medium matte, the dark matte, and the lid topper shade. There's the 4 shades. Oh, it's gorgeous. So we have the light matte, the medium matte, and the dark matte. Oh, they swatched beautifully. And then the lid topper shade. Wow. That's so pretty, guys. This is a lovely palette. And I mean, you can use these face palette shades on your eyes as well if you want. How gorgeous is that? So there you have everything together with a palette. This is going to be a nice travel palette, I think, depending on how it wears. And we will test that out. But if it wears as beautifully as it swatches, then I think this is going to be a nice travel palette for me. I just want to open the serum and see what that looks like and feels like. Okay, it's just a clear serum, nothing weird or interesting. It's slippery. I think this is one of those things you just have to wear and test before you can see if it actually makes a difference. So there we have all the products that I swatched. Let me know what you think. Are you interested in trying this out? I really love that everything swatched beautifully. And I loved all the colors that I swatched. There wasn't any colors that I regretted. I definitely will be doing a video where I use at least one color of every product. Let me know what you think. If you've ever used Eveline Cosmetics, please just leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about the brand. And I'm really excited to start playing with these lip liners and this full face palette, pretty much everything. So yeah, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye.